Got an ugly dent on your car? Don't waste money at the body shop. Introducing the Mini Dent Puller Suction Tool Car Sparkles. Just place it, lock it, and pull. Small dents pop out in seconds. No drilling, no paint damage, safe for doors, bumpers, and hoods. Compact, powerful, and super easy to use. Perfect for quick DIY repairs at home or on the road. Fix dents like a pro and save big. Order now from Carmodza.com. Link is in description.
I've got a car dent puller. It comes with a big dent puller, two small ones, got a cleaning rag, I've got a wax handle with a sponge, and a repair scratch cloth, as well as